everyone, welcome back to SimplyChristelle. My name is Christelle, and today on SimplyChristelle we're gonna talk about some skincare. Yes, I know you always ask me questions about skincare, so today I have a skincare video for you. So if you don't already know, I'm talking about the skincare company Jacq'S. So I ran into this company maybe 3 months ago while I attended this natural hair event where I was volunteering, and I just went into the booth, introduced myself, and turned out the owner was Haitian. Oh, well, not was, she is Haitian. She is Haitian. Her name is Barbara. She is so sweet. We got to talking and I decided to purchase a few items to support and decided to give you guys a review about the products and how I liked it and how, you know, it's been working on my skin and all that good stuff. But before we get into all this, you need to subscribe, like right now. Subscribe and give this video a like for shopping small businesses and supporting Haitian businesses. So give this video a like and subscribe. So if you want to know how to slay naturally using some organic skincare items, please keep on watching. Okay, we're starting off with the Healing Face Cleanser. And this face cleanser easily dissolves impurities, makeup, and dirt on the skin. The creamy consistency is composed of amino acids, fruit enzymes, and papaya extract, as well as the healing moringa that rejuvenates the skin and brings out the youthness of the skin. So using a silicone exfoliator, I sprayed a couple of pumps on there and I'm going to work the healing cleanser all over my skin. And next, we're using the Revitalizing Face Toner to pretty much restore the pH balance of the skin as well as reduce pores. This toner is like a revitalizing herbal tea for the face, especially with the CoQ10 as antioxidant. Last but not least, we're finishing up with the Nourishing Face Moisturizer with yucca and coconut extract. This moisturizer is fast absorbing and leaves the skin refreshed and hydrated. Alright guys, look at this natural glow that I'm serving thanks to Jacq'S. OMG, like look at this face. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. You should do it right now at SimplyChristelle. I always say that, you know, I don't wear like makeup throughout the week to go to work. I only really do wear makeup when I'm doing crazy eyeshadows because I love being creative when it comes to eyeshadows. But on a daily basis, Christelle has no makeup on, okay? I don't do my brows, nothing. I just do blush. I love blush. Like everybody who knows me knows I love blush. I like when my cheeks are like super rosy. I really love blush. So yeah, thanks to these amazing ingredients that I've been using with Jacq'S, OMG, like wholesome ingredients, non-GMO, no parabens, and vegan. Hello, vegan. So if you know somebody who's vegan, definitely recommend Jacq'S. One thing I really enjoy about these products is how lightweight they are, especially the Nourishing Face Moisturizer. I have dry skin and I need my face moisturizer to absorb really quickly to nourish my skin, and this did exactly that. It absorbs really fast and gave me that moisture. And also yucca coconut, like Yes. And the facial cleanser has moringa in it. Just last week I was talking about moringa on Instagram, how amazing moringa is for the skin with the antioxidants. It just reverses signs of aging. So if you're trying to reverse some signs of aging, get you some facial cleanser with moringa in it, especially the one from Jacq'S. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna leave the information down below for these items. Make sure you check them out on Instagram as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want more skincare videos and little tips and tricks that I do, let me know in the comment section down below. I usually do some DIYs on my Instagram on Saturdays when I have the time. But if you want more skincare videos, let me know in the description down below. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.